Can I delete my internet browsing history without unplugging my router?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important aspect of digital privacy: how to delete your internet browsing history. This is a common question, and some might wonder if it involves unplugging the router. Well, rest assured, we will clear up all the doubts in this video.
Does deleting browsing history involve the router?
First off, let's establish one thing: your router and your browsing history are not directly connected. Deleting your browsing history is an action performed within your browser on your device, like a computer or smartphone. It does not require you to interact with your router at all. So the simple answer to the question is, no, you do not need to unplug your router to delete your browsing history.
Why would you want to delete your browsing history?
Deleting your browsing history can be useful for several reasons. It helps protect your privacy from others who might use your device, and can also free up some memory space on your device. In some cases, it might even help pages load faster by clearing out old data.
How can you delete your browsing history?
Now, let's get into the details of how you can delete your browsing history. While the specific steps can vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, the general process is usually the same. 1. Open your browser and find the Settings or Options menu. 2. Look for a section titled Privacy or History. 3. In this section, you should find an option to Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing History. 4. Select this option, and you'll likely see a prompt allowing you to choose exactly what data you want to delete and over what time period. 5. After making your selections, confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your browsing history should now be erased. And there you have it, folks. Deleting your browsing history is a simple process that doesn't involve your router at all. It's a handy tool for maintaining your digital privacy and ensuring your device runs smoothly. Remember to do it regularly, and until next time, stay safe online.